Did you know cucumbers have amazing health benefits? This crunchy, juicy veggie that often graces our salads and cools our summer drinks is more than just a hydrating bite. It's a common sight, sure, but what's not so common is the knowledge of the health benefits it tucks away beneath its green exterior. From its high water content to its rich array of nutrients, cucumbers are a powerhouse of wellness. Dive in as we peel back the layers to uncover the surprising health benefits of cucumbers. So, what makes cucumbers a health superstar? The first thing to note is that cucumbers are a hydration hero. Composed of 95% water, they're a refreshing way to top up your body's H2O levels, especially during those hot summer months. Next, let's talk about weight loss. Cucumbers are low in calories yet high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. By adding bulk without the calories, they can help you feel full and satisfied, thereby reducing the urge to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Cucumbers can also play a role in controlling blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that cucumbers may help reduce and control blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial addition to a diabetic diet. Another benefit is promoting regularity. The water and dietary fiber in cucumbers can assist in preventing constipation and maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Moving on to skin health, cucumbers have a cooling effect that can soothe irritated skin and reduce swelling. They're also packed with antioxidants, which can help fight against skin aging. Lastly, cucumbers provide essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, all crucial for your body's overall health. With all these benefits, it's hard to ignore the power of cucumbers. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add this health superstar to your cart. Now you might be wondering, how can I add more cucumbers to my diet? Well, there are countless ways to consume this versatile veggie. For starters, cucumbers can bring a refreshing crunch to salads, but why stop there? You can also use them as a base for a healthy smoothie, or slice them up for a quick and easy snack. Want to get a little more creative? Try making cucumber water. Simply add a few slices to your water bottle for a hydrating and flavorful twist. And let's not forget about pickling. You can easily pickle cucumbers at home, adding a tangy touch to your meals. From refreshing drinks to crunchy snacks, there's no shortage of ways to incorporate cucumbers into your diet. Remember, a cucumber a day could just keep the doctor away. So, there you have it, the amazing health benefits of cucumbers. From hydration to heart health, cucumbers are a power-packed addition to your diet. They're not just refreshing, they're a wellness wonder. Don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist for more insightful videos like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.